Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send message to yourself on Instagram. So in the latest update of Instagram, you guys can be able to send yourself a message on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So what you have to do is simply open up Play Store first and simply search for Instagram. So after searching for Instagram, you guys have to just simply validate that your Instagram is if there is an update available. So you guys must have to update your Instagram because this message will work on latest version of Instagram. So after that, you have to just simply open up your Instagram account, and in this Instagram account, you have to just simply search for exact your username. So what is basically your username of Instagram? You guys can just simply open up your profile, and here in your profile, you guys can see at the top right, top left corner, here is your Instagram username. So you guys have to simply remember the whole your username, which is nsportfolio.01. After that, you have to simply go to your messenger again and simply go to search bar and search for exact your username, so which is ns.portfolio.01. So after searching for your account, you will be able to see your exact account. You guys can see here is my account is visible, so I have to simply click on it and I can send a message or anything. You guys can also send the post on Instagram. So here is the way you guys can, by just clicking on that, you have to click on profile and you guys can see our own profile will be opened. In this way, you guys can send yourself a message on Instagram. You guys can also share post or anything. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.